The Federal Road Safety Corps for Rivers State don't talk say them they work 24/7 to make sure say accident not happen for December month. Zonal Commanding Officer Zone RSG Port Harcourt, Janata Owade yarn this one after them induct the Corps Special Marshal for Port Harcourt. Oga Janata contact say the Corps go work well if the members of the public collaborate with the Special Marshal where they want put for the roads to work. He come also call on the Corps Special Marshal say make them get patience when they deal with members of the public. The Zonal Commanding Officer when he yarn about the Ember month, he come back drivers say make they remove mouth from alcohol when they drive and say make them stop to they carry overload for their motor.
After screening, these are the people that we think are more qualified than the others. It's not that others are not qualified, but these ones are more qualified than the others because they have met all the parameters that we have set. We have always told them too. When they're passing, they see a crash, they should come down to rescue whoever is involved. But they should also let us know so that we will know that a crash has happened also, we can give a backup. Or if there's a call from that end, we will be sure that yes, we are aware of the incident. So those are the things that they can do to assist us and enhance our spread. As a matter of fact, we have told them that they should be temperate. We have to be temperate while dealing with the members of the public. As a matter of fact, two wrongs does not make a right. If anybody is unnecessarily hard on them, they should take the number, take enough evidence. We charge such people to court. We don't allow anybody to harass us and go scot-free. So as long as they are doing their legitimate duty, we don't expect anybody to harass them or intimidate them. When such happens, we don't allow them to slug it out on the road. They should make a report. There's a process. We make a report to appropriate quarters for proper disciplinary action to be taken against erring offenders.
The Sector Commander Rivers State Christopher Kuje contact say the duties of the marshal now to cover the areas where the Federal Road Safety Corps not fit cover and say them still they do the work where the Federal Road Safety Corps they do.
Where we cannot reach, we need to get these special marshals to reach there on behalf of the Federal Road Safety Corps. And you know some places in this state, because of the terrain, we have creeks, we have other places, even where vehicle cannot even enter. But you have different form of transportation. So the reason for actually recruiting them is to ensure that those areas, those gaps that we could not actually capture, they will be able to cover those gaps and ensure that we bring, in fact, the rate of road traffic crashes to the barest minimum. So they perform the same function that the Federal Road Safety we do. They go to road enforcement, traffic control. They can also carry booking sheet and book just like the way we are doing. And that is why there was extensive and intensive training.
Make una not forget say, as we see them, and so we they talk them. We know they take blame. From Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Ekata Ojesili, TMC TV News.